Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is July 22nd, 2025, and we're diving into TrustCo's latest earnings report for the second quarter of 2025. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. TrustCo has delivered a strong performance this quarter, and I'm excited to break down the details with you.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. TrustCo reported a net income of $15 million or 79-cent diluted earnings per share, which is a 19.8% increase compared to the same quarter last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
Absolutely. The significant increase in net income is primarily driven by a 10.5% rise in net interest income, which reached $41.7 million. This was achieved through the repricing of the loan portfolio at higher yields and effective management of deposit costs. Additionally, the net interest margin expanded to 2.71%, up from 2.53% last year, reflecting improved asset yields and strategic deposit pricing.
Loan and deposit growth. TrustCo has also shown impressive growth in both loans and deposits. Can you elaborate on these figures, John?
Sure. Average loans increased by $115.6 million, signaling strong borrower confidence and aligning with TrustCo's strategic focus on high-quality relationship lending. On the deposit side, there was a $173.4 million increase, driven by growth in time deposits and interest-bearing checking accounts. Notably, home equity credit lines surged by 18%, capitalizing on market demand for flexible financial products.
Capital position and shareholder returns. Moving on to TrustCo's capital position, the equity to assets ratio increased to 10.91%. What does this mean for the company's financial health and shareholder returns?
This is a positive indicator of TrustCo's robust capital position. The book value per share rose to $36.75, reflecting a 6.6% increase from last year. Additionally, TrustCo repurchased 169,000 shares under its stock repurchase program, demonstrating confidence in its long-term strength and commitment to enhancing shareholder value.
CEO Strategic Insights. TrustCo's CEO, Robert J. McCormick, provided some strategic insights in the report. What were the highlights of his statements?
CEO Robert J. McCormick emphasized the importance of having the right product mix and the agility to meet customer needs. He highlighted the double-digit growth in return metrics, with return on average assets up 17% and return on average equity up 12.5%. McCormick also pointed out the strategic growth in commercial loans and the reduction in non-performing loans, which are key to TrustCo's ongoing success.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's discuss TrustCo's operational efficiencies and future outlook. How is the company positioned moving forward?
TrustCo's adjusted efficiency ratio improved to 55.1%, indicating effective cost management. Non-interest income rose to $4.9 million, driven by increased fees from wealth management services. The provision for credit losses was $650,000, reflecting strong asset quality. Looking ahead, TrustCo is well-positioned to sustain its growth momentum with opportunities in loan originations and digital banking investments.
Key takeaways. In summary, TrustCo has delivered a strong performance in Q2 2025 with significant growth in net income and a solid capital position. John, any final thoughts on TrustCo's investment prospects?
TrustCo's strategic focus on relationship lending and operational efficiencies positions it well for future growth. The company's robust financial metrics and shareholder-friendly initiatives, like the share repurchase program, make it an attractive investment opportunity.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on TrustCo's performance in the comments below.